This is John Reeves with Smokin X, and today we're going to be doing a Texas style reverse seared Raider Red ribeye. Alright, so the first step we're going to do is we're going to pull the steaks out of the cryovac. And once we have them out on the cutting board, we're going to put the Raider Red Meats steak rub on, pour it on there pretty liberal. What's going to happen is they're going to start to sweat. The salt and all the moisture is going to start to pull to the surface. The salt's going to make that happen. 10-15 minutes, they'll be ready to hit the grill. So once the steaks have started to sweat a little bit, they're going to start pulling that moisture to the surface. We're going to set the Green Mountain Grill from anywhere from 225 to 250 and set the steaks on an elevated rack. Once we have the steaks on the rack, we're going to let them stay on the Green Mountain for 30-35 minutes. At that time, the steaks ought to be somewhere around 100-105 degrees. We're going to pull them, let them sit for a minute, run the Green Mountain up to 400 degrees, get ready to sear them off. You're going to put the steaks on the lower rack, the original rack of the GMG, and you're going to let them sit there till they're about 130 to 135 degrees internal. Once the steaks hit about 130, 135, you're going to pull them off, put them in a pan. You're going to set them off the Green Mountain Grill. Set them on the counter, set them on the shelf, do whatever you need to, just off the Green Mountain in the pan. Let them rest for 10 to 15 minutes. What that's going to do is it's going to pull the moisture back in, make them nice and tender. After your ribeyes have sat for about 10-15 minutes, had a nice little rest, ready to tear into that Raider Red ribeye. Hey, we appreciate you watching and tune into another GMG video. More to come.